I've worked at Peerless for just over 6 years. As a woman in the workplace, I feel empowered when my coworkers come to me for insight and advice. In my free time, I enjoy exercising, everything from aerial arts to powerlift.
I've been with Peerless for 8.5 years. I feel most empowered when I accomplish the goals that I've set for myself. And outside of work, I enjoy hiking, running, and painting.
I'm still a very recent hire. This is also my first real engineering job out of college. I remind myself and recognize that learning is a part of the process. I like to do outside of work is read or do creative writing.
I've been with the company for 3.5 years. I feel empowered when I feel heard and when people can count on me. And a hobby of mine outside of work is making candles.
I've been with the company for almost a year now. As a woman, I feel empowered when my ideas get implemented in the workspace. Outside of work, I enjoy doing yoga and indoor cycling.
For 9 months, but in marketing for 10 years, I feel the most empowered when I have a seat at the table. I like staying active, whether it's exercising at the gym or going for hikes or kayaking outdoors.